For years, we've been asking for a true dual-sport motorcycle ready to tackle the rally stage right out of the box. Suzuki has finally answered. Welcome back to Kallamotto. Today we are face-to-face with a massive surprise from the Bangkok Motor Show. This is the new Suzuki DR-Z RALLY 4S. Unlike the standard version, the Rally 4S comes equipped with a factory-built hard rally tower. This tall windscreen isn't just about aesthetics. It provides crucial protection from wind and dust during long, grueling stages. And look at the navigation tower space. It is primed and ready for your GPS instruments or roadbook setups. The carburetor is officially history. Nestled beneath this new steel twin-spar frame is a heavily updated, liquid-cooled 398 cubic centimeters DOHC engine featuring electronic fuel injection. It pushes out 38 horsepower at 8,000 revolutions per minute and 37 newton-meters of torque. But the real star of the show here is the S.I.R.S. Suzuki Intelligent Ride System. Thanks to ride-by-wire technology, we get traction control with a dedicated gravel mode, plus switchable ABS that can be fully disabled for absolute control in the dirt. To handle the relentless pounding of off-road racing, Suzuki Thailand took the hardware up a notch. While the standard bike uses KYB, this Rally 4S show model is equipped with a premium Öhlins rear shock. They didn't stop there, adding a brake disc guard up front and a heavy-duty rear carrier for your gear. Combined with the 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels, this high-spec setup guarantees maximum traction and bottoming resistance, no matter how punishing the terrain gets. This isn't just a standard dual-sport bike with a windshield slapped onto it. It is a re-engineering marvel that blends a modern power plant, premium Öhlins suspension, and legendary Suzuki durability. Is this the new king of the middleweight rally class? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Kallamotto for more cinematic automotive content, and we'll see you in the next video.